Everyone could use a little bit of extra dough. It may be because you need to buy that dress you have been eyeing through the window of the bouquet, or else to finally buy a gadget that you have wanted for a long time, or just be able to achieve any other need or want that you have in your life. If you feel that you belong to this category, then this video is for you. In this video, we will let you know how to earn $500 by just typing on your home PC or laptop. Yes, that is right, by just typing you can get $500, and for each page you type you can earn $30. Stay tuned till the end as we have got a few crazy tips for you. Imagine just typing a page in a Word document and earning almost $30. Who knew that making money can be as easy as this?
Okay, seems a little steep, but 10,000 it is.
Do you want to be one of the few who knows of this money hack to increase your income? Then don't go anywhere, and in the next 10 minutes of your life, you will learn how to make effortless money. Welcome to our channel. Today we will be giving you this hack to get easy money. This video will run you through the overall process of being able to seize this opportunity with both of your hands and make the most of it. All you need to do is follow the process as we give it to you, as it can be a bit confusing. But once mastered, you can be one of the few who get the fruits of this low-hanging branch of the money tree. You can begin this journey by entering the following into a new tab in your Google Chrome, which is talentsr.com. There is no need for you to spend any money or pay any fees upfront to the website to access this opportunity. When you reach the home page and start exploring it, you can find that there are many openings for remote work available all around the world. Here you can explore jobs, get hired, and then once you start work, you can get the earnings from various opportunities. The jobs available include freelance blogging jobs, language translation jobs, medical transcription jobs, content writing jobs, online typing jobs, online teaching jobs, and online proofreading, among others. This video is solely for typing jobs, but you always try and pursue other avenues of income available on the site. Some of the other jobs available might require you to possess some complicated skills that may be rarer than the skill of typing. Then this is definitely an easier opportunity. Head down to the area where the typing jobs are listed, and you will see that it says that the Talent Desire website estimates that the opportunities it presents give you a top pay of close to $13,500 to $27,000 per year for the job. The best of all of this is that you can use this to earn from any part of the world as of now. Further, the website says that it will offer you minimum work of up to $1,125 per month. To be eligible, you only need 3 things to be on your side. 1, you need to be above 16 years of age or more with a secondary or high school diploma. 2, you need to have basic knowledge of English and the internet. 3, your typing speed should be above 30 to 50 words per minute. This is a very easy speed to achieve if you are used to typing on the computer for any purpose. And if you are unsure of your typing speed, you can go to the following website, typinggorilla.com, or even searching the same in Bing will open up a typing test, which gives you an idea. Finally, at number 4, the pretty obvious laptop with a high-speed internet connection. There is a strict policy that the work you submit must only have 98% or more accuracy, otherwise the work will be returned and the payment will not be transferred unless rectifications are made. The cost of applying is nothing at all. It is less than a penny because it is just plain free. You will have different levels of experience, which means the more words you type, the more you get paid. If you are a beginner, then you will get paid 0.010 cents, which means after typing 300 words, you will get $3. If you reach the intermediate stage, you can get paid $3.60 when you type 300 words. The professional level will earn you the 0.015 cents, which means $4.50 after 300 words. Finally, when you have reached the top of the food chain and qualify to be called an expert, you can earn $6 for 300 words at 0.020 cents per word. If you are a student, you might be typing more words just for writing your projects, which includes even rigorous research. Or if you are a working professional, you may be typing more words for any report or project you are part of and still not earning as much as this method for the hard work you are made to do. You might be wondering that these rates are pretty lower than what we promised you at the start of the video. We did say that you will be able to earn $30 per page you write and also more than $500. This is where our next advice will help you cash more than the ordinary users of this website. This will help you earn the wages of an expert-level typist at the level of the beginner, a secret that will help you get paid more and faster than the grind of reaching expert level. So here is where you start to go to ratatype.com. As we said earlier, you can understand your typing test, but this website goes one step higher and will give you a typing test at the end of which you will receive a certificate. This will help your earnings from the Talent Desire website to be higher than what you would get without going through this step. It will mean that you are much more valued by the website and also increase your job opportunities, ultimately your overall income. When you enter the home page of the website, you will be able to see a prompt for you to start typing. Click or tap on the prompt and get started. The program will check your accuracy and the speed you can type. This is important, as the better your speed and the higher your accuracy, you will be able to secure the job and get paid that much higher. As mentioned already, TalentDesire.com needs you to have a typing accuracy of above 98%. Once you enter the prompt, then, you have to make sure that you are able to look at the material provided and copy exactly the same. Once you do it, you can then easily see at the end of the exercise the word per limit, and the accuracy percentage is provided to you. The same will then be accessible in certificate format quickly to you. Once you show this certificate, it will boost your application. This whole process is absolutely free, and therefore, it will make sure that you don't lose money, but only gain it after the exercise is brought to fruition. If you didn't score as well as you would have liked, then you can go back and take their website, and they also provide you with various exercises and tips for you to improve your typing. Keep retaking the test till you are able to get a successful percentage, which will help you get through to the demands that they have in their requirements section. Once you reach the requirements, create a free account on ratatype.com by simply entering your name and then your email ID. Then get a PDF copy of the certificate from the website, which has the authorization of the ratatype.com. Then come back to the Talent Desire website and then scroll all the way down to the red button, Apply Now. Then scroll down to the area where they explain their steps and click on the red link named Select an Application Form, which will send you to the online form for remote application. Once you open it, you can fill in all your details, and don't forget to click the box which means that you are accepting the privacy policy. Then enter a few simple pieces of information that is asked in the form and then submit. You can even select anywhere to PayPal, to wire transfer to get the payment. Then all you have to do is wait for them to select you as one of their employees. This page has an income calculator which shows you, depending on the number of words you type, the amount of money you can earn. The money is measured in terms of the rate per word and in US dollars. It is called the calculated per word. Earning in all these words are going to be his names, and nothing much more than that at all. It is so easy and simple that you might only have to type 300 words and get paid $30 for just this much. This means $30 for typing 300 names on a page of Google Docs. You are going to be getting almost 20 pages to do easily per day, making your earning $500 plus. With that, it's the end of the video. Join us next time again. See you.